I do have my outfit on. Let me show you what I made for breakfast. These right here are baked oats. They are so yummy. There's tons of recipes, and I think I even have one on this channel actually. These ones are cinnamon roll baked oats. We went down to the playground during that time. I've been trying to get out early in the mornings because I've always struggled with sleep, and I saw if you get out like within the first hour of waking up, which for me, I wake up super early. I woke up at 6, but I usually try to wake up about 5 to 5:30. It's not even light outside that much yet. Then what else is on the schedule for today? I'm doing some work. I'm filming some content for 2 things I'm trying to do, which is start a travel channel and doing some TikTok shop today. Yeah, he's just over there playing. He's so pressured, you guys. TikTok shop. And I'm also going to try and get an extra scripture study in today. We're doing some fun things as a family, like going to a brand new water park today. It's free. I'm going to be making BLTs for lunch and ramen salad for dinner, and doing some cleaning. I'm going to try and clean out the oven today. It's just a fun-filled, chill day at the same time.
Thank you so much for tuning into my channel. This is day 1 of homeschool and also building the life of our dreams from ground zero once again. When I looked in our account this morning, I realized we barely had enough money to cover groceries, and immediately I began praying fervently to God, asking Him to please provide for us. I was very nervous, and we needed a new formula, and when we looked in our bank account, we realized that somebody had sent my husband $50 for his birthday, and when we went to the grocery store, we barely had enough money to cover all our groceries, and definitely not baby formula. But as we looked in the reduced section, we found plenty of formula that was at an amazing deal just in our budget, and we were able to get that right away. Although being short on money is definitely not the funnest time in life, it truly gives you an opportunity to learn and understand God's grace, and that He will always pull through, even when it feels impossible. A thought I've had recently is that comparison is the killer of joy. Comparison does not glorify God, because when you compare to others, you are either putting yourself above or below them, and neither of those glorify God. But also, you could be comparing yourself to somebody else when God has you right where He wants you to be, so that you can learn the lesson that is exactly made for you. God does not make mistakes in His timing, and the point of this life is not to have things easy, but to truly learn and grow and understand God. If we always had things easy, we would never turn to God, because often we do not turn to Him when things are easy, but when things are hard. So I'm so excited to embark on this journey with God right beside me, to be able to grow and build the beautiful life of our dreams that we've always wanted as a family. But I don't want to compromise 2 very important things, my children and my marriage with my husband.
So for lunch, I'm making some BLTs with some off-brand corn chips. And I'm also going to be doing some bell pepper rings and some green grapes, which are my favorite grapes. It's just a nice, well-balanced lunch. The bacon is already cooking, and I will see you when lunch is ready.
Since this is the very first day of my public journey, I thought that I would introduce myself. Hi, I'm Sarah Roosh. I'm a blind, stay-at-home mom of 2 adorable babies who are my whole entire world, and a wonderful husband. When we got married, my husband and I knew that we both wanted to be business owners, but I wanted to stay at home with our kids and no longer work, because I wanted to be present with my children. It's always been a dream of mine, and I just love kids and motherhood, so that was a big non-negotiable for me. And although I know that's not reality for everybody, it is a big blessing that I'm able to stay home with our kids. And to all the other moms out there who do not, my prayers are with you, because I know it is very challenging and hard to have to balance everything, and you all are doing amazing at everything you're doing. My husband started his own business just about 2.5 months ago in pet services, and I also started my own journey with social media marketing, and I have multiple avenues in which I do that, including TikTok shop, Etsy. I tried a little in KDP. So that's us for now.
Alright, you guys, let me show you what I got for my daughter for Christmas. We went and looked in the Target clearance. Cute little Lilo and Stitch. He's laughing at me. This is what girls do. We like to show this stuff. We got this adorable little windbreaker. It's like a half zip up. I just love the little color screen. I just think it looks kind of like color block looking. I'm not sure exactly the style. 90s, I think, is what I'm trying to think, or 80s, but I think it's adorable. Alright, you guys, so I'm just sitting here in my room for the rest of the easy for dinner. I'm just gonna have some leftovers. And so I just want to say thank you so much for watching this video. It was a little chaotic this time, all over the place, but I have some fun videos coming up. I'm going to be documenting my journey with making us go from 0 to the life of our dreams. After we got back from Hawaii, our savings was completely gone because our car broke down, our AC needed fixing, like so many different things, and then another part in our car broke down after that, literally a week later, and our rent is more expensive now since we moved. So my husband was in between jobs for a while. It's just been a lot, and so yeah, we are completely stripped of our savings now, and we'll be starting all over again. I hope you guys subscribe and join our journey. Thank you for watching.